So good morning YouTube. Today's plan is to go to a place called Koheda Gutta, about 47 kilometers from this place where I stay, and apparently it's again on a hilltop. So again the plan was to go for a sunrise ride. I don't think we might be able to reach there because in fact it is saying that we might just reach there. It is 6:14 and the sunrise is at 6:09, so we might be a short of 5 minutes for the sunrise. I actually wanted to take a time wrap for the entire event, but I don't know how much it will be possible. I'll have to hurry a bit so as to still make it for the entire stuff. Let's hope so. Being early morning, I don't see a reason why I should get late because traffic is minimal at this time. As long as I can clear the local roads, I should be able to do it. Let's see, a race against time. In this case, there are two ways of reaching Koheda Gutta. One way obviously is via the ORR, which is a little longer route but a quicker route as per Google, and the other route is the other one via Nizampet, and this is about 47 kilometers as against the 72 from ORR. And being early morning, I think we should be able to make this in an hour. Otherwise it takes about 1.5 or 2 hours from this side, considering the traffic conditions. So two conditions which might really help us today is that one, it's early morning, less traffic. Secondly, it's a Sunday morning, so yes. So with my current speed, I think I have already reduced it by a minute, and it now shows the estimated time of reaching as 6:13. I still need to cover up about say about 10 minutes over a journey of 47 kilometers. It's a very pleasant morning. In fact, with the jackets on, I feel a little bit of chill. So yes, I think the winters have started to begin. So Hyderabad has a lot of hills, so it's possible that there are many locations of like this type of where we had gone last time, and now we are going today. That's Koheda Gutta. Both are on top of hills. I think the previous one was Morali, and today it's Koheda Gutta. Both are on top of a hill, and let's see if we are able to witness the grandeur of nature today. So there are two routes again here from this point. One you can go via Balanagar, and the other one is from your right hand side. So it's like the diagram which you used to see in electrical engineering, the hysteresis loop. There are 2 or 3 ways in which you can reach this place. That's close. Why do people do that? to save a few seconds. Don't take risk. I don't think any risk is worth that action you do. So it's pretty dark now. It's early morning, so I don't know if the views are good enough to be viewed as good. Wow, it's showing 6:10. Good. I am very close now, I think. I have a minute before I can reach, and about 5 minutes more, about 6 minutes which I need to cover up now, so that I can go reach there, set up my cam and start with the time wrap. I think we have to go straight from here. There's no diversions as of now. So it's all pretty well straight as of now. That's pretty bad. I do not know what he has put inside his fuel tank. So like it's almost like day breaking now. And you can see the brightness on the skyline gradually increasing. Oh, what are you supposed to do with this? Am I the only one who's waiting? I don't know. I had to take a detour now because of a mistake from my side, but yes, I misunderstood the route from Google, I guess. But you know what they say? They say that whatever happens for the good, and in that sense, it appears to me that Google is like the messenger from God. You know, he knows वहाँ पे कुछ गलत हो सकता है, तो वो अपने आप से आपको गलत रास्ते भेज देगा, डाइवर्ट कर देगा आपको. या तो गुड. शायद वहाँ पे कुछ ठीक नहीं था मेरे लिए, इसीलिए गूगल बाबा ने मुझे डाइवर्ट कर दिया. It's always good to look at things in this manner. At least you don't feel frustrated for losing the track. Isn't it? Nespa. non-standard speed breakers now indicate that we are out of city limits also. And yeah, so there it is. You can see the orange hues on the eastern side. It's pretty cold out here. It's more chiller than what it was. Oh my god, I think it's primarily because of the greenery around. Ooh, oh, I'm getting shivers now. So another 5 minutes for us to reach the place. Almost there. A hidden speed breaker. You will see a lot of varieties of speed breakers. Another one. Some are hidden. Some give you a sudden jolt. Oh, I think we are almost there. Really? Is this the way? कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम लोग? I don't know. ये तो जगह नहीं है. ये कहाँ ले जा रहा है हमको? Yes, I think I get it. We are there on the highway. Yes. Finally we are there. We are climbing the hill now with short little twisties. There are visitors already, I guess, who have come to witness this sunrise from here. Oh yes, quite a few of them. Good morning. Good morning. Come. Good morning. Good morning. Thanks for coming, baby. So we have a good company here today. To see whom we met when we reached today morning. Hey puppy. Hello. Hellos. Hellos. Hey. Hey sweeto. This guy is a brownie. What should we call this guy? Hey brownie baby. Hey brownie baby. Not interested. Thank you. Thank you so much.
They smell pretty. One photo I will take.
Cool. So let's go back. Mission accomplished. So yes, beautiful ride, mission accomplished, so satisfying. So we should be home by around 9:30, considering we might have to wait for a while in between, but by 9:30 we should be home. So that's a good ride. Unless Google decides to take a detour.